So many of you already know of the monthly security updates that get rolled out by Google, Samsung, and many of the other smartphone OEMs for Android. These updates contain important patches and changes to the core firmware to keep your device as secure as possible. However, there's actually another way that Google can actually directly update your device, and that's known now as Google Play System Updates. Now, I don't see this getting as much coverage as the monthly security updates, but they can contain some very important security features that you need to have on your device. So it's something that I recommend that you also check on a monthly basis along with that over-the-air update for your security patches. Now, for those who are not aware, a couple of years ago, Google began working on a feature that became known to us as Project Mainline. And it was a way for Google to start sending some security updates to Android smartphones and tablets through the Play Store instead of having to go directly through OEMs certification process, the wireless carrier certification process. And this will be done basically through the Play Store, any devices that had the Google Play Store installed. This began happening with devices that shipped with Android Q and later, which is Android 10. And there's a lot of technical details that go into this. I'll be linking to this article in the video description, as well as some other resources for those who want to learn the more technical aspects of Project Mainline. But for this video, I mainly just want to focus on showing you where this feature is located, since it's not in the Play Store, even though it's called Google Play System Updates. Instead, it's through the settings application, just like the regular over-the-air updates. Because each OEM sets up their settings application a bit differently and in different orders with different menu names, it's best to just go into the search and then search for the Google Play System Update. And for this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, we can see that that's going to be in the biometrics and security section of the settings. But again, we can just tap in directly from the search. And again, that's going to be in different locations. I was looking at this on Xiaomi's Redmi series, and it's still in the settings and still in a security type section, but it's not labeled biometrics. So it's best to just search for Google Play System Update, and you'll see it in the search results. So you can see my Galaxy S21 Ultra right here is on the January 1st Google Play System Update. And we can actually go in and find out more about this update and check for a new update by tapping on that option. And if there is a new update that needs to be installed, like there is right now for this device, I was on the January update. You'll see that update process happen pretty quickly, and then we'll be prompted with this restart. And we just need to tap on that blue button to complete the install. Let our device reboot. And we can actually check the status of the Google Play System Update again by simply just going into that same area of the settings app. And again, we can just go back into the settings after we have booted back into Android, If we remember, it was in the biometrics and security section. We can just tap into, and now we can see we are not on the January update anymore. And I can show you that one more time. I have a Xiaomi Redmi device right here. We can go in. Again, we just search for Google Play. We can see the Google Play system update come up. Tap on that option. And you can actually see this device is on the August update, as I haven't used it in a while. So again, we can update it by just tapping into that and then tapping on the blue restart button. And then waiting for the device to boot back up. And don't remember to go back into the settings, go back and search. So we can pull that option back up, and then again, check to make sure that you are on the latest version. It should be matching your current month, but Google may be delayed for a couple weeks. So you can always go in there and manually check anytime. And that's how to update your Google Play system updates.